In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your Payoneer account even if you no longer have access to your phone number or security questions. First, go to the Payoneer login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your Payoneer account and continue. If you cannot verify using SMS or security questions, do not worry. On the verification screen, look for an option like Can't access this method or Contact Support. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be redirected to Payoneer Customer Support. Select the option related to account access or login issues, then choose I can't access my phone number or security answers. Payoneer will ask you to verify your identity manually. This usually includes submitting details such as your registered email address, full name, date of birth, country, and last transactions if available. In some cases, they may request a government-issued ID for verification. After submitting the request, Payoneer's support team will review your information. This process can take a few business days. Once verified, they will help you reset your security settings or update your phone number, allowing you to regain access to your account. That's how you can recover your Payoneer account without a phone number or security questions. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Payoneer and online payment tutorials.